Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit money on Chime card. Now there are two ways to deposit cash into your Chime account. In the first method, you need to first open your Chime application and then you need to select the option of Move Money. Once done, you will be landed on the Move Money page where you need to tap on Deposit Cash option. After that, you need to tap on the green View Barcode button and then you need to take your cash and phone to any of the listed retail locations near you. Then you need to ask the cashier to scan your barcode and transfer the funds to your Chime account. Now, in the second method, to deposit your money on Chime card, you need to first log in into your Chime app. Then you need to tap on the option of Move Money. After that, you need to select the option of Direct Cash and then you need to take your cash and card to any of the listed retailer locations near you. Then you need to ask the cashier to swipe your card and transfer the funds to your Chime account. You need to remember that once the retailer accepts your cash, the funds will be transferred to your selected Chime account. Barcode and debit card cash deposits land in the checking account. Credit builder card cash deposits first go through your card account and then land in your secured account. Cash deposit fees may apply if you're using a retailer other than Walgreens and Duane Reade. If you choose to deposit cash using a Chime card, then you must swipe your credit builder card or debit card to deposit cash into your Chime account. Our cash deposit partners will not accept the chip or the manual entry of your card number. If the magnetic strip of your card is damaged, then you will not be able to make a cash deposit and will need to replace your card. For that, you can request them via the Chime app or at chime.com. So with the help of these two methods, you will be able to easily deposit money on your Chime card. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.